Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I know I look extremely attractive, but I just woke up and I wanted to get this ball rolling and get my face on. So one of the first things I'm gonna do is put my hair up sloppily because I haven't even brushed it yet. I really need to wash it. Does anybody else want to take the biggest childish hissy fit when they have to wash their hair? I hate washing my hair. Alright, so, and then I'm gonna be extra cool to keep my hair off my head. And, but I'm not gonna keep that on because that's super distracting to me. Or it could be like that. No, turn it off. Okay, I got that. Now, I need this. Okay, so who wants to see a video that is not an eyeshadow palette? I'm sure anyone. So Colourpop just recently came out with a no filter foundation. It's to kind of go with the no filter concealer and their no filter setting powder. This puppy is a stick foundation and I have Fair 05W, is the second to lightest shade. And it is a stick foundation that retails for $10. And this is 0.34 ounces for 10 bucks. The only other stick foundation I have is the Hourglass Vanish. That is 0.25 ounces, so less than this, and $46. So a hell of a lot more than this. So I'm not the biggest stick foundation fan, just because I feel like it's for more combination or oily skin and I have very dry skin, but I really wanted to give this guy a try because this would be great for travel, for anything, as long as it works. Alright, so let's just start on one half of my face and blend it out because I don't know if this stuff gets dry. I also don't know how much to add. So I have my beauty blender already. Blech. So I have my beauty blender already dampened. Now, another thing I don't like about stick foundations, it takes a little bit more work to blend it out, but I mean, at least the Hourglass Vanish that I have looks really good when it is done and blended out. Just a pain to get there. Alright, this is said to be medium coverage. Let's see if it says what kind of finish it has. Natural skin-like finish, never cakey or drying. It says you can apply the stick directly to your skin, blend out with a brush or sponge. For fuller coverage, apply with a brush, but I'm already using a sponge, and I would say that's about medium to schmedium coverage, so let's go in with another little layer here. See if we can get it more to full. I have a cat wandering around here. I'm paranoid they're gonna eat a cord or something. Okay. Yeah, I would say that's closer to full now with 2 layers. It does say it's buildable coverage. My little acne scar there is kind of covered but not completely. So let me just finish off the rest of my face. Oh, by the way, I did prime my face before I did this. Whoops, totally forgot to say that. All right, this is not working out here, hair-wise, not foundation-wise. Oh, that's better. Okay, so this looks super pretty so far. I know that I just put it on and who knows what it's gonna do during the rest of the day. Get out of there. Or, you know, how it's gonna live up to the rest of my makeup. So I'm gonna speed up and do the rest of my makeup here really quick. Minus the eyes, cause I don't really feel like doing that today. And see how my normal everyday makeup lays down on top of this foundation. I am gonna use their no filter concealer to go with this, and everything else that I'm using I will have in the description box below. So whether that's a good, what am I using, or a bad, what am I using, it'll be in the description box below. I'm gonna put on some music, jam out, and get my face going and get this day going. right, and there's my finished face. I feel like my skin so far looks really good. Other than the concealer, all the other products I use are products I use every single day. That way I can really give this foundation a fair shot. But everything layered really good on top of it. Nothing moved or tugged the foundation. The foundation stayed where it should. So I know that this would not be a fair review unless I give it a little bit of a wear test. I'm just gonna do a couple hours. Kind of, you know, let it settle into my fine lines and with my dry skin and just see how it performs throughout the day, if it fades, if it creases, cracks, cakes up, anything like that. So far, 10 bucks, I'm really liking this, so stay tuned in a couple hours. I will let you know how it's looking. Alright, so it has been a few hours since I put on this Colourpop stick foundation, and we are not looking too bad. My face is maybe a little bit dry, maybe more than a little bit dry. But I feel like my skin still looks really good. So because I have dry skin, I'm thinking that maybe if I use a primer oil instead of my other normal primer, that this would lay down better on my face and kind of wear better because it is, you know, drying a little bit. But for 10 bucks, I think this is a really great stick foundation, not only for travel, but just for everyday wear. And you get more product than you do in normal prestige brand stick foundations, so that's pretty awesome. So if you're looking to try a new stick foundation and you don't want to break the bank, definitely try this guy. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll go have yourself an awesome day.